Hey everyone, it's me, Jennifer Anderson, Superstar Director with Scentsy and your favorite Scentsy girl. I just got June's Whiff Box in. It's time to open it. I wanted to show you what was inside. This is my first peek too, so let's dive right in and see what's inside this goodness. In case you don't know what a Whiff Box is, okay? This is Scentsy's surprise subscription box. You can actually get this anytime a la carte. You don't have to subscribe every month if you don't want to. It's $30. It's usually $35 or more in retail value of full-size products, plus a bunch of samples, exclusive peeks at next month's fragrances that haven't even launched yet, and sometimes there are even exclusive pieces in the Whiff Box that you can't get any other way from Scentsy. So if you want to have it auto shipped to you every single month, 2 months, or 3 months, you can by enrolling in Scentsy Club, throwing a Whiff Box into your club subscription. And when you do that, you actually get 10% off as well because it qualifies for the $30 minimum in order to receive 10% off with Scentsy Club. Free to join, cancel anytime, no commitments, kind of a no-brainer. So let's dive into the Scentsy Whiff Box for June. We change it every single month. And let's see what we have going on here, okay? Ooh, cute. So here's the inside. First of all, the box. If you ever want to gift a whiff box, it's super gift ready. The packaging is adorable. Inside always says "Scent with Love," okay? And this is looking like it's going to be a pineapple themed box. It says Pineapple Perfection. So they always include some kind of cute little craft or game or something fun, and that's kind of a neat little Scentsy perk. But this is Pineapple Perfection, and these are cute little drink straw decorations, so perfect in time for summer. That's adorable. You kind of cut little slits in them and put them on the straws of your drink, just like that. So first glance, here's all the goods. You ready? So let's dive in, okay? First things first, we have 2 Scentsy bars. First one, Appealing Apple. This is the current scent of the month. Now, whenever you get a Whiff Box, you will always get a bar of the current scent of the month. So you'll get a full bar, brand new fragrance that you've probably never tried before every single month if you get this. This is Appealing Apple, and I actually got a sample of this last month. And I think this is the perfect summer apple. We have another apple scent called Johnny Appleseed. I think it's more of like a fall crisp apple in my opinion. And this Appealing Apple, it almost has like a summer floral to it in a way, like an apple blossom, if that makes sense. And it's much lighter, much brighter, but still crisp. It's really good, really nice for summer. If you love apple, you'll love this. Definitely a red apple, not a green apple in my opinion. But it's called Appealing Apple. It smells pretty good. Fruity. The next one we have is a bar of Oh Snapdragon. This is a really gorgeous red color. Oh Snapdragon. Fruity and floral, definitely. You know what? And I'm going to read the description because I'm almost wondering if there is something like pineapple-y in here, because I think it's interesting that they would include it. Oh, there is. Okay, so Oh Snapdragon has exotic blood orange, pink pineapple, and snapdragon. Okay, I get that. Definitely I get the blood orange and the snapdragon. So it's like a citrus floral. It's definitely bright, clean, kind of on the clean side because it's floral. And it's got a touch of pineapple, which I'm going to be honest, I'm having a hard time picking up the pineapple when it's cold. But I bet when it warms, you could probably smell that note. This is a more subtle fragrance in my opinion. It's not something that's too strong. So if you want just kind of like a subtle clean in the background, nice scent, I think this could be one of those. I'm thinking entryway or any bathroom in your home. You know, I know there's fruit in it, but there's enough floral in this to make it a clean scent, in my opinion. So I would put this in the bathroom. All right, next up we have an entire bottle of Scentsy body cream. This is the Hibiscus Pineapple, I think. Yeah, Hibiscus Pineapple. So if you've never tried our body creams, they're really nice, super thick and luxurious. I got a huge sunburn because I sat in the sun for too long without any sunscreen. And this has sunflower oil and aloe in it, so it's ultra moisturizing, really, really good for thirsty skin, but never ever leaves me greasy, ever. Still feels light when it's on, but gives me a ton of moisture. And the thing I like about Scentsy body cream is that it's sort of lightly scented. It's not a strong scent ever, in my opinion. Whenever you put this on, I don't think it's going to be overwhelming, and you won't smell it all day either. I think you smell it for several hours it's much lighter. We also make a whole other line of body products, but this body cream is really good. There's no dyes, no phthalates, no parabens, no junk. It's just really good, and the packaging is super cute. And the hibiscus pineapple is just that, hibiscus, pineapple, and a little bit of mandarin. It's very girly, perfect for summer, and this is $13. This is a huge bottle of body cream. So far, we have 2 Scentsy bars, okay? These are $6 a piece, and a bottle of body cream, that's $13. So we have 12 and 13, that's 25 already, and we still have more in the box, okay? Also, continuing with the pineapple theme, a bottle of pineapple coconut vanilla body wash. Pineapple coconut vanilla body wash, coconut pineapple, and it says blue fig. I don't get anything earthy in this at all. To me, it's sweet. You know what? I take that back. There is sort of like an earthy quality, but in a powdery way. It's still lighter. It's not earthy like sandalwood or anything musky like masculine tones at all. Pineapple coconut vanilla is a super girly, sweet fragrance, but not sweet in like a vanilla cupcake kind of way. So an entire bottle of body wash. I really like this stuff. Suds up really well. A little goes a long way. $9 a bottle, and it's 7.7 ounces. So I do actually think it's a pretty good value. And the packaging is really cute. Pineapple coconut vanilla. So we're already at $34. Okay, if you think about it, we have body wash, we have body cream, and these are all full-size products. I have 2 full-size Scentsy bars. So, I mean, we've got 12, 25, 34, and there's still more stuff in there. So the last full-size product in here is a scent circle. This is for your car, and I believe it's pineapple pucker. Yeah, pineapple pucker. So this is a scent circle. It hangs typically from your rear view. You can hang it in a closet or a pantry, or in the bottom of a trash can or anything like that. You just want it to hang freely wherever it is because it does contain fragrance oil. But these are really great. Honestly, in the summer, in a car, in the heat, it's not going to last you a very long time, but it really is enough. And I think it's a pretty good value. And these are $3. So we're already at $37 in full size products. Okay. And then they threw in some samples. So last 2 things, ready? Huge samples of pink cotton laundry liquid and Scent Soft. Now, if you got the box last month, you got 2 samples of pink cotton washer whiffs. So you can actually put this together and get what we call full cycle fragrance. Laundry liquid, this is for, this is detergent for your laundry. This is safe for HE machines. And I'm sorry, my camera doesn't want to focus on this, but this is safe for HE machines. It's a full-size sample. Same thing with the Scent Soft, nice full-size sample. That's your fabric softener. I actually really love our Scent Soft, and I think that the fragrance in your laundry lasts so much longer when you have that Scent Soft layer on there. So the last thing, and honestly my favorite part about Whiff Box is this little fragrance cup that you get every month. So when you get a Whiff Box, like I said, you get an exclusive peek at what's coming out next month. So in July, you actually are getting a preview of a fragrance that's not even available yet. You can't buy this scent anywhere. Like consultants can't get it, customers can't get it. And so you get a sneak peek of a brand new fragrance that hasn't even jumped out yet. So this is a scent for July. It's called Stargazing, and our owners last month they were describing this for us, and they said something like it's a grown-up jammy time. And as soon as they said that, I was in, because jammy time is one of my favorite fragrances. It's one of my best sellers. So you get a giant fragrance cup. It is a lot of wax, okay? Compared to a Scentsy bar, you get a lot of wax. It's probably about 3 cubes worth, just to be honest with you. So let's open it and smell it. This is called Stargazing. And it's this really pretty, like, dark blue, almost black color, maybe even purple. And let's see if I can open this without popping off one of my nails. We'll see. Okay, there we go. Ooh, they're exactly right. Okay, look at the pretty color. Super dark blue, almost like an indigo color. Grown-up jammy time. That is exactly how I would describe this. Creamy, lavender. Oh my gosh, I really, 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 really love this. This is a club-worthy scent. This is going in my Scentsy club. I'm putting this in Scentsy club so that Scentsy will always make this for me, because this is the perfect bedroom fragrance. Or if you have like a 2-story home and all your bedrooms are upstairs, perfect second story fragrance. Oh my gosh, it is. This is like I could drift away. It's clean, but it's still so creamy and comforting and cozy. And it's absolutely a grown-up jammy time. It's more creamy than jammy time. Jammy time is a little more soapy. This is a little bit more grown-up. And I'm here for it, and I'm loving it. So all in all, pretty good value for this month's Whiff Box. $30, $37 in full-size products. 37 retail sales, and a whole bunch of big, huge samples. I mean, I'd say this is another winner back to back. If you like pineapple, if you're in the mood for fruity stuff, this one's for you. So go sign up for this. You can get it individually. You can just buy a Whiff Box on my website, discoverscents.com, or you can go check out Scentsy Club and get it automatically shipped to you anytime you want, every 1, 2, or 3 months. So see you next time.